Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create links for a web page or website. Links are very important. They are what makes the web a web. The web is basically comprised of a collection of links. So links are found in nearly all web pages. They allow users to click their way from page to page and also enables them to access resources on the web. A link does not have to be a text. It can be an image or any other HTML element. To create or add a link, you need to use a simple element which is referred to as the anchor tag, which is abbreviated to A, and you also need a special attribute called the href attribute. The href attribute is used to specify the destination address. So when the link is clicked on, you want it to take the visitor somewhere else. So you use the h attribute to specify the destination address. So let's create a very simple link. I'm going to create a link that will take me to Google. So to create a link, you start with the less than sign. You type in A, which is the anchor, and in between the anchor you type in the text. I'll just type in Google, and that's the closing tag. So you can see here there's no link at the moment. For this text here to be linkable, you need to include the href attribute inside the opening anchor tag. So now that I've added this href attribute inside the opening anchor element, you can see here now that it's turned into a link. You can always tell it's a link because of the hand symbol. It turns into a hand. So if I click on this now, it will watch out for this address. It will change to Google. If I click on that now, it takes me to Google. You can see it's taking me to the Google homepage. So I'm just going to click to go back. So that's basically how to create a link in a nutshell. So if you want to turn an entire paragraph into a link, all you need to do is insert the anchor tag, for example, at the beginning of the paragraph and one at the end. You can nest it inside another element, and that will turn the entire content into a paragraph. When you create links, you can wrap an entire paragraph into a link. You can make it linkable, like I've done here on line 34. I've just added this paragraph here, and you can see here I've made the entire content of the paragraph into a link. So if I click on this link now, it will take me to this website here. So this website here is the value for the href attribute. You can see I've embedded the anchor element inside the paragraph tag. So I've nested it. So you can nest elements within elements. So I've nested the anchor tag here. You can see after the paragraph tag, that's the beginning where the link will start. And you can see the closing anchor tag here. And also we've got the closing paragraph. Hence is the entire content of the paragraph is turned into a link. So you can turn any text into a link depending on where you place the anchor tag, the opening element, and the closing anchor element. So if I click on this now, it will take me to this website here. So let me click on that, and you can see here it's taking me to this website. So that's basically how you create a link. So if you only want certain part, for example, if I only wanted this part here, that says gratitude. If I want to turn that, just that text into a link, all I need to do is relocate the anchor and the href attribute. I just relocate all this and place that at the beginning of this here, and also in the anchor element there, and that will make only this text into a clickable link. So in my paragraph here, I have relocated the anchor tag and also the href attribute from the entire content. So I've wrapped it around just this text here called gratitude. So you can see this is the beginning and this is where it ends. So hence you can see for the content for this paragraph, you can see the only thing that's linkable here is this text called gratitude. So if I click on that now, it will take me to this website, which is the value or the address for the link. Another thing I want to highlight with links is that links have different colors based on whether the link has been visited or not been visited. By default, when you create a link on your web page, and if that link has not been visited, it is highlighted in blue. As you can see here on line 17, I've added two elements here. I've added an H2 element and I've nested an anchor tag inside that element. You can see this link here because I have not visited it. By default, it is blue. Any link that has been visited becomes purple. You can see here this link here is purple because I've already visited that link, and the Google link also is purple because it has been visited. So that's basically how you create links. So you can create links in any area of your web page or HTML document. So I'm just going to get rid of this one here. I don't need this link here on line 17. I'll get rid of that. And I also want to get rid of the Google link. I just wanted to show you an illustration of how to create the link. So that's it now. I'm just going to save my document. So this is, I'll refresh the page. So this is basically how I want the document to look like. So I've only got a link here, which is this particular text. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.